Welcome to Diana, the new member of, what is she a member of?
Oh my God.
I don't even know.
YouTube. CNC channel member. She's a channel member. A membership of our channel. Anyway.
Apparently that gets you in the lead-in.
That's right. You want to be in the lead-in? Become a YouTube member for Common Man Cocktails.
Stay tuned.
She's like,
watch
subscribe.
next video.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to make for you a cocktail called the Bashful Canadian cocktail. This recipe was invented by Jennifer last week in preparation to give our top donator a custom craft cocktail based on things that we think he might like.
No, things he said he liked.
Well, we think he liked.
He said he liked.
All the other. Like, he might like it.
He said he liked rye.
So, Stephen Foisey likes rye. Steven likes Campari. We did is we put training wheels on the Campari and we got Aperol. And maple syrup, because he said if we needed to use a sweetener for anything, use maple syrup because it's Canadian and, well, that might not.
And who doesn't like maple syrup?
Right. That's Vermont, but it's like Canada. It's like the Canada of the USA.
I use different maple syrup, so if this doesn't
Oh, what the fuck? Which maple syrup do you use?
Of course, there's no swearing.
It's the same. So it's probably better.
This is obviously alcohol forward. I mean, 3 ounces of rye?
He likes alcohol forward drinks.
Alcohol.
Doesn't want all that juice shit.
Steven likes alcohol.
I like it.
I don't know, but I like it.
He's like, think
like him.
Sazeracs and like drinks that are like very potent.
Okay.
And if you need sugars, he likes bitter. He likes Campari drinks. Jennifer went with Aperol. I just
Well, I
named
got
it.
the rye. He liked rye.
He liked rye, so I thought, oh, Canadian rye.
This is an interesting mix, though. I'm really into. I think it's gonna be good.
So we are using Knob
excited.
Creek, straight rye whiskey, small batch, 100 proof.
That's gonna be in your face.
Proofy.
But I made it with the Alberta rye. So
Is it? Oh, so this isn't the rye you made it with?
No. The original prototype recipe called for this, but we don't have enough because we used too much.
So basically, Jen made something and Derek didn't follow her directions.
He likes
we
that.
can't get it. We can't get it.
Right, we can't get it.
Add all the ingredients to a chilled Nick and Nora glass, so we're not even using the same glass.
Here, hold on.
This is not the drink we're at all. Like, everything's changing about this drink.
We just fixed it.
Okay.
What, because the glass was different?
The glass,
Oh, look at that.
the maple syrup,
Oh, yeah, that's right.
rye.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, okay. You following me?
That's all of it.
Following
Like,
you.
Yeah.
Everything about this drink is different than the way it was designed. Hey, why is there a
How
bug
did
on
a
here?
bug get in here?
Let me check, because the door...
I don't know, but I hit it with a paper towel
It's
earlier.
freezing out there. And it was
Nope.
in here before the door was open.
Yeah, that's one of those beetle bugs that was in here before. I get them in my house too. They're are they stink bugs? I don't know.
Beetle
bug.
bug.
I crush them. They don't smell. I throw them out. I don't know.
Actually, they kind of smell like grass when you crush them.
How is it?
Yeah,
That's what it is.
stink bug.
Yeah.
Let's drink! I'm back, by the way.
Pretty color.
Welcome back.
Yeah, the Aperol.
Go, drink!
We did.
You already drank it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't
What the
drink
hell was
more.
that?
I'll drink it
How
out
did
of
you
here.
drink it?
I'll drink it out of the glass, huh?
Oh, yeah, because I
I'm
was
civilized.
set up for that.
I'm not.
So it's got potency to it. It doesn't have too much juice. Not quite bitter. It's got like a grapefruit
It's a little
bitterness.
bitter.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, that shit out of me.
Where'd he go?
He's right there.
It's up here.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a stink bug.
Yeah, I think it's a stink bug too.
I don't know,
Well,
but
why wouldn't it stay still?
it fucking touched me.
He's gonna run out of energy someday.
I don't know about that.
It's over there behind the light.
Yeah. It's
No, behind the light, on the other side.
So back, anyway.
Alright.
Uh,
There's a drink here. And it's got...
It's a good thing we got jump cuts.
It's sweet. It's sweeter than I thought it would be.
You think that's
You
sweet?
think that's sweet? Damn.
Definitely.
Sweeter than we thought.
Yeah, the maple syrup comes. Yeah, the maple syrup comes through.
It's
I
got...
wonder if the maple syrup's stronger than the maple syrup I use.
No!
Well, the maple syrup is 0 proof.
Until it's still.
Shut up.
But if you
But it
just
does
fill
have
it in that
53 grams
sugar...
of carbs, so.
But it's not like a bad sweet. It's just,
I thought it would be this. So
I think it's sweet. It's sweet, a little bitter.
100
The rye comes through, but it's not like punch in the face.
This is gonna hurt you. If you think that's sweet and you could drink it like a sweet drink at 3 ounces and 100 proof
Steve
rye,
donated.
that's a sleeper. What is he doing?
No. It's not like sweet like a
No, it's not like a
strawberry
yeah.
daiquiri or something like that. Like it's not sweet like a candy drink, but it's.
Say the recipe again so that Steven can...
Did I ever say it?
3 ounces of rye, ½ ounce of lemon juice,
They're all
½ ounce of
empty.
maple syrup, and an ounce of Aperol. supposed to garnish with a lemon twist, but we figured it was so bastardized at this point. Why even
I love
garnish
it.
it?
Get back in.
And you saw how freaking Ian cut a lemon last time, so.
I'll do it again.
Last time you cut with a bread.
But now it's
There it is.
competition.
We need a high five, Stephen Foisey's donation. Oh, yeah. No knife high fives. No knife high fives.
No knife high five.
High five or knife attack. Oh my god!
There's like just slap my hand because that's weird.
Shit, I don't know what's going on behind me. You think I could look in the camera and see what's going on behind me?
think?
Yeah.
There's one there, there's one there.
Well, I'm like looking down there.
Yeah, that was awesome. So,
Well, that one's until
our executive producer, Stephen Foisey, he is one of the
Not that
very
much
few
delay.
that are the CMC membership.
that's
They're
true.
using the CMC. He actually is a donator on both Patreon and as a channel member.
Yeah, he
And-
has the Ian emoji.
He has the Ian emoji. If you're a channel member, you get special emojis and tags and stuff. And
Can I get the Ian emoji on my phone?
You have to be a Patreon subscriber. Get your shit together.
If you follow him on
no,
Instagram,
it's a
you can get
YouTube channel member.
All the
You
time.
gotta be a YouTube channel member. Get your shit together.
Just follow him on Instagram. You can get the photo ops, the photo manipulations, Photoshop.
There they
that
are.
he does.
Yeah.
And if you think like, but Derek, I don't want to be a YouTube channel member because you just have so many members that like you don't even need the money. We have 2.
You're wrong.
So I've been pronating for 2 months, and we have 2 members. Both of them joined within the first video. One during the freaking live stream. So like, just saying, fucking poor. That's all I was gonna say. Otherwise, it's a good drink.
It is a good drink.
We wouldn't know.
Oh yeah. All right.
You've been to the Caribbean, you know.
You can check out awesomedrinks.com where you can get these coupe glasses without all
Here,
the
drink
etching.
it through me.
That's a Nicodora.
What is that, coupe glass?
Yeah.
That's a Nick and
New
Door
member.
glass. You want to save 15% off on those things? You could use Madness until
Oh,
April
there you go,
13th.
Diana.
New member.
New member.
Oh wow, that works. Like that?
Whoa!
Holy shit.
I didn't know it would be announced. That's pretty cool.
I didn't
We
know.
got a third member!
Diana rocks.
This is like one of those dial-up things. Dial-a-thons.
Dialing for daughters? Dialing
Dial-in for members.
Dialing for members.
That sounds kind of gross.
1-877 cars.
Telethon. That's what you're thinking of. A telethon.
Telethon.
Yes.
1-877 cars for kids.
That's not a telethon, that's a charity.
And it's a
I
commercial.
just said it and I just
Yeah.
wanted to get
So
stuck
wait
in
a
your
minute,
head.
wait a minute. People donate and they do slappy high fives. What happens when somebody becomes a member?
They get
They
it.
just-
They get all the emojis, they get different
What
artwork.
on
Dan and
camera?
Derek make
What happens
out.
on camera?
Shit!
Oh, I don't know.
I was about to say shit. You can't put it out before I do.
I gotta tackle him!
Damn it! Oh.
That's what you do. I don't know. I thought about that. He's trying to like pressure me. He told me to do
I
that.
didn't think it would pop up like that.
Yeah.
Alright, I think
All right, that's it. That's neither here nor there. You can get this
All right.
recipe at
Good drink.
recipe.awesomedrinks.com.
Do it.
There's a bar over there that has we've now
We
established that
confirmed
there's
the
a
bar's
sidebar.
over there, yeah.
All right,
There's
there's
a bar?
2 videos over here next to Ian.
Over
oh my
here?
god. Yep, and they're
I didn't know you ran
probably
on my
from the
elbow.
cocktail competition and stuff. And the March
Oh
Madness
my god,
cocktail
look out.
competition.
There's a bar next to you.
Down below,
Be careful.
Awesome Mix starter kit so you can get started making bartender stuff and become a bartender at
Oh
home
my god.
at any moment in time.
Click on that shit.
You want to know why
Like
I
this.
yell? It's because I have to
Just
keep
like it.
getting louder over whatever the fuck this chaos is. We're teaching you how to drink.